I have 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. And I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. That's it. I have a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. This is going to be a lot of crumble. This is 1/3 cup of white sugar. 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to get this mixed up. Oh, I hate when I spill. This mixed pretty well. Now I have 1 stick of butter. It's a bit soft, not very soft. I'm going to get it in here. I'm going to bring it together with this fork. If that's not good enough, I'm going to use my hands, which is the best tool in the kitchen anyways. 1 stick and 1 fork. There we go. Which is just 4 tablespoons. 1/4 is 4 tablespoons of butter. Just gonna get this mixed up pretty well. That's it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator until I'm ready for it, which won't be long. I'm gonna heat my oven up, preheat it to 350. Oops, get back in there. I gotta use this apple fruit filling. Yeah, taking the shortcuts. I'm going to add some vanilla bean paste. If you want to add, you can add this, or you can add you some. It's quite enough. You can add you some vanilla flavoring or extract. Totally up to you. Let's get this mixed together. Smells so good. I'm trying not to break the apples though. Maybe I need to a bit. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. I think that was a good thing to do. We still want chunks though. Okay, let's get this mixed. It's a whole one. It smells so good. Sweet enough. Yes, it's sweet enough. Like that there. We're going to get our crumble out of the fridge. Of course, if you want to make more, you can add a couple cans. But I'm just trying to make a small one. Which is why I only added 1 can. I got a lot of crumble. I think I'll be going to have to save some of this. Maybe so, and maybe no. Got all this good butter. This smells wonderful too. All this good butter and sugar in here. Well, I can save this. I can make a smaller one. Maybe Sunday. Okay, that's quite a bit. It's gonna cook down though. The butter is. Let me set this aside. I think this is quite enough. Let me see. I'm just gonna sprinkle the top. I'm gonna use this cinnamon toast crunch stuff. You can use cinnamon. It's got lots of cinnamon in it and it's sweet. It's good. And I have my oven heated up at 350. And we're gonna cook this for about 35-45 minutes. 35-45 minutes. Okay, see you in a minute. 35 minutes in the oven. This is what it looks like. Oh, excuse me, I got a cough. Show you what it looks like, sort of, without burning myself. Just try to get a little bit out. Nice and crunchy. It is super duper hot. I'm gonna give it a minute. Let's give it a taste. Still pretty hot though. Topping is nice and crunchy. Sweet, but delicious. My husband will love it. He loves sweets. And apples. One of his favorite fruits. It's delicious. Give it a try. Meanwhile, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And remember that God loves you, and so do I. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to pray.